Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on this Gaggia Deluxe. This espresso machine came in with a faulty pump. We installed a new one. We also did some work on the group head with the gasket and the shower screen. Let's see what we got here. Nice shot. I'm going to cut the shot a little short. Turn the steam on, but what I'm going to go ahead and just show a really nice shot from that machine. Steam's always really strong on these. Clear a little out. Then, even before it's all the way heated, you can see how strong that is. Just steaming milk or whatever you like. Thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.